The task for this week is to paint the inside of the bus, but before we start that we need to make sure that all the joints are tight and that the cracks are filled, give them a quick sand, and then we can start painting. My original plan with this was just to sand it and paint it. It's one of the old panels in the bus, but it's cracked. It's cracked here. There's a screw there that I can't get out. There's quite a lot of little holes to fill. I think it's actually going to make more sense just to cut down here, rip the whole panel out and replace it with a new board. So I'm going to do that. I wasn't thinking to take this out today, and then I started fiddling around and thought, how did this come apart, and then ended up taking it out. Anyway, it's cool. I sort of wanted it out mainly so I can get the sofa closer and reveal a bit more of the view. This is obviously a modern car seat that somebody's put in here, and this base I would imagine is original. It's got these great little winding handles that wind the seat backwards and forwards, and you know, you can see on the things that it's sort of the knobs are like made in London and stuff like that, which is really cool. I left these last two sheets off the roof for a while. It was just easier to get up and down on the roof when I was doing the solar panels without them there. But everything's finished now, the solar's all done. So I'm going to put the final two pieces on the roof. Really nice to have it finished. I started this roof months ago. It's taken way longer than I expected, but it's really nice to have it. It's great for some shade. It'll be good to collect water. The solar panels are up there. It managed to stay up in the storm. So it's I'm really happy with it, and I'm happy to get those final two sheets up. found this metal plaque the other day underneath the bus. I must have ripped it out when I was first gutting the bus. It says Petone, something like that. But it was a company that was set up in New Zealand and had something to do with this bus. The bus was built in England in about '68, but I think they made maybe the engine and the chassis and the body part of it. I think looks like it was built here in New Zealand. Whatever. I think it looks cool, so I thought I'll screw it onto this and use it as a door up there. I think it will be nice to have a bit of the original bus in it. I need to make a catch for an overhead cupboard. There's already one at the back of the bus, so rather than reinvent the wheel, I thought I'll just copy it. So I've taken it out, and I'm going to cut that same shape onto this. Bit of a complicated shape, but that's alright. We'll work that out, and then hopefully that'll work in the front of the bus. So there's the old one, and there's the new one I just made. It's actually a fairly faithful replication. Should work. Just go and screw it in the bus. Done. Pretty happy with that. I love this little plaque here. Sometimes I turn around, I finish a simple job like this, and I think kind of expect a round of applause. Maybe that's what my wife's for, or YouTube. There you go.